Welcome back to West Gray. Beautiful day, a little overcast, but this is something a little different. I know many of you might have bought the Skyreet tablet holder. It's one of these. If you haven't seen one, I'll give you a close-up picture of that one. Okay, and it's aluminum basically, and it works really well with tablets, and you can turn it the other way and put cameras in, phones in, but there is a problem. Okay, originally I didn't like using it, but of late I've been using it a lot with my tablet. Okay, but I've always had a problem with my phones. Okay, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you that. Okay, we're back again. So this is the controller, and this is the Skyreet tablet holder attached to it. You can turn it that way and put your phone in, but there's a hole there for your phone for the plug to go in. But if you have a big case, and I'll show you this big case. This is my Galaxy 7 Edge. Okay, it's got a fairly decent sized case on it. Okay, and when I put that in here, it's really a tight fit to get through there, and I can only get certain design plugs to fit in there. So here's another solution. I already have this, so I went online looking for something I could use in the car or whatever, and I found this. It's a car holder. It was $5. Okay, now it comes, you see that there, that's what you get. Okay, but what I did was, and I used the whole thing on the windshield, but what I did was I took it apart. Okay, so let's just put that down. And I took the top off of it. Okay, that's the top of it. So we take this off of the Skyreet. It comes apart. I'll just put that down. And we're left with the ball. Well, we have these two little pieces. Put that on, and we screw that back together. A little harder than I thought when I'm not looking what I'm doing. But anyway, there we go. Get that on. And we tighten it down. There we go, nice and tight. Okay, now we have this on here. Let's just put these together because we're not going to turn it on. Okay, we have that there. We get our phone. We have the hole there. And there we go. Okay, we've got lots of access room here, no matter what size of a case you have. It's not going anywhere. It's perfectly fine. I can put whatever length of cord I want to put into it. Bingo. Okay, so for $5, and I can also just take this off and use it in the car. But I thought that was a great solution. I was so tired. I'll pick this up here. This is the part of the Skyreet. It's really strong, okay? But this hole here, the distance, the thickness here was too thick to put the plug in. It's great for a tablet, but when I put a phone in, I can only put the bare phone, not with any case. So when I use this like this, I can plug the wire in here no problem, into here, and I've got lots of room, and it's not heavy, it's beautiful, it works great. So for $5, multi-use, great little thing. Okay, just thought I'd bring that to you. Whatever you have around the house, you can find something. Remember, I made these out of pieces of wood and that. There's always something you can do to make it better, and this has made this 100% better. Okay, now then, I have just ordered a few little parts that are going to come in a couple of weeks, and we're going to show you them. It's basically going to be FPV goggle type for the Mavic Mini, and anything, Parrot and Affy, anything that uses a smartphone. And it's not a box goggle where you put the smartphone in, okay? You don't have to worry about focal lengths or anything like that. Think augmented reality, okay? So that's coming in a couple of weeks, okay? But for now, I'm really super glad I got this. I can use this phone, I can use the 9 Plus, I can use any phone I want, just plug it in, away I go, okay? Thanks for watching, hope it helped, hope it got you thinking. Stay safe, have fun. Thank you.